Ang trabaho naman kasi ng congressman is policy formulation.
Yeah.
Congress is the biggest debating club in the Philippines. Pangalawa, defining programs to implement the policies that you craft. And thirdly, what are the projects? And the party list system, once it was institutionalized, evolved na moving forward. Nag-evolve na siya Di ba? From sectoral organizations representing women, etc. Nag-evolve siya into a political party, multisectoral party. Di ba? Hindi na lang siya diretsong sectoral, multisectoral. Now, political parties na, technically speaking.
Yes.
But with different rules. Now, you know, the thing about party list kasi is, I've been a congressman twice in the first district of Pangasinan. And technically speaking, when you are a district representative, ang trabaho naman kasi ng congressman is policy formulation.
Yeah.
Congress is the biggest debating club in the Philippines. Pangalawa, defining programs to implement the policies that you craft. And thirdly, what are the projects? Di ba? Sa context kasi minsan ng, if you're a pure legislative congressman, ang iniisip mo lang yung distrito, may nakafocus ka ron I mean, that was my mindset during that time, although I participated in debates on matters of security, peace, economy, ganun yun But at the end of the day, ang bit-bit mo sa'yo, distrito mo. Para sa distrito mo. Now, supposedly, the advantage of being a party list representative is because you are campaigning nationally.
That's right.
But you should be able to look at the country beyond your province where you were born or where you came from. So, yun yung tingin ko po, yun ang tingin ko rito. So, our platform is basically progressive, diverse, and inclusive. It covers a lot of sectors. I'm happy to say that there are five senior citizens in our party list group out of the 10 nominees. I'm the youngest among the senior citizens, by the way. Okay. Meron kaming 3 PWD sa party list namin. Meron kaming 2 piloto. May mga negosyante kami. May transport sector representative, yung mga nominees namin. We have 2 women representatives. One is from BARM, a professional at magaling.
Wow.
At may kabataan. So in other words, yun ang isang advantage ng party list. So ibig sabihin, yung platform namin, yung mga nominees namin represents what our platform fights for. We are against discrimination primarily. At sa tingin ko minsan kasi, kapag in Congress, minsan discriminatory yung mga congressmen in favor of their district. But a party list representative should be discriminatory in favor of the Philippines.